Hello children, get ready for your art class. Today we will learn Ravan craft. These are the required materials. See here. First you take one plastic bottle. You can take any plastic bottle. And here I am using orange color. So you can use skin color also, no problem. Children, what you will do? How you will make orange color? Red plus yellow. If you mix red and yellow color, then only you will get the orange color. And remember one thing, when you are doing the watercolor, you have to mix the Fevicol with the color, then it can be used properly. And do the same color in paper cup also. Okay children, now do neatly the color. After coloring you have to leave it 15 to 20 minutes for dry. Now it's dry. Okay children, now cutting part. Children, remember one thing, for cutting you have to take the help of your parents, strictly I am telling. Then after cutting you have to put ice cream stick inside the butter like this. Here you will use 3 sticks, inside one ice cream stick and both side one stick. Okay children, now it's over. Then you take paper cup and you have to cut like this. For cutting you can use scissor or cutter. Neatly you have to cut. Cutting is not your part, you have to take the help parents. After this you have to fix like this. Okay, now it's over. Then again you have to cut here also, and same way you have to put one ice cream stick inside, and same way both side one also, one more stick. Here also I have used 3 stick, so total 6 stick you have to use. Next you take small piece of orange color paper, then you have to fold. After folding you have to make one oval shape like this, and with the help of scissor you have to cut the oval shape. This is we are making the face of Ravana, because Ravan have 10 faces, so you are making here 9 faces, another one is middle one, this one, then total 10 faces. Then here I am making eyes with the help of white or color drawing sheet. Small eyes you have to make. Then you have to paste the eyes like this. Now pasting it over. In this way you have to prepare the face. Then I have taken here black marker. I am making here mustache and eyebrow and eyes. So children, in this way you have to make 9 faces. Okay children. Now faces is over. Then remember, one side you have to paste 5 face, another side 4, and middle is 1, total 10 face. Then you have to join in this way, one after one. Okay children. Then you have to make eyes for the middle face. You have to cut like this, then you have to paste like this. Okay. Then you have to do the outline of eyes. eyeball, eyebrow, then nose, and this is long mustache. Okay, like this. Then you have to take one small piece of paper, and this is the mount. Then you have to do the red color tilak with the help of red marker. And this is, I am making here teeth. Then this is the golden sheet. You have to take one piece of paper, then you have to fold. After this you have to cut like this for mukut or crown, like this. And for another faces mukut also you have to make same way, fold, then cut like this. In a triangle shape you have to cut and paste. And extra part you have to cut. Now faces arrangement is over. Then you have to put Fevicol and paste the faces. And same way another side also you have to put the golden sheet for crown, and extra part you have to cut, then you have to paste. Okay, and take one small piece of golden sheet and take one circular shape, make circle, and you have to cut the circle. And you take one small piece of glitter sheet and small circular shape, cut it, the circle, then you have to make one design also like this. You can do any design, it's up to you, and paste in middle of this golden sheet. And with the help of black marker you have to do the design, and you have to make like this. Okay, and this is for talwar. I am making here talwar. After folding I am making one drawing here. See how I am doing. It's easy. Remember children, after folding of this paper I am doing half drawing of talwar. See here, half drawing this. Then I am going to cut it. After cutting you will get the complete talwar. See. Okay. Then you have to put the orange color in this hand. Let it be dry for some time. Then you take glaze paper or any colorful paper and take the measurement and cut it, and put the Fevicol and paste this sheet. This is front side. Same way you have to paste in back side also. Put the Fevicol, then you paste. This is extra part I am going to cut. Okay, then I have taken the glitter tape, and with the help of glitter tape I am going to decorate the Ravan. So you can use your creativity to decorate the Ravan. Okay, then I am going to paste this here also. Another hand talwar I am going to paste. Okay children, now it's over. Now your Ravan is ready. Okay children, try to make your Ravana and enjoy Dasera. Okay, wish you a happy Dasera to all. Have a nice day.